Hello everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I'm here to review a new phone for you, that is Samsung Galaxy F42 5G smartphone, which is launched recently in September 21. The Samsung Galaxy F42 5G has launched in India at a starting price of 2999, that is 21,000. The new mid-range smartphone is a sequel to the Galaxy F41 and is slightly costlier than this device. But users also getting a 5G chipset, Dolby Atmos support, as well as a high refresh rate display. The Samsung Galaxy F42 5G price in India is set at Rs 2999, which is the price for 6GB 128GB storage model. There is also an 8GB 128GB storage configuration, which is sold for Rs 22,999. It is being offered in a standard and matte aqua and matte black color option. Coming to the general specification of this phone, you will get a handset, adapter, charging cable, SIM ejector pin, user manual in the box with the model number of SME426BZ. The model name is Samsung Galaxy F42 with a color matte black. It has a dual SIM. There is no hybrid SIM slot, and yes, it supports a touch screen and it has a OTG compatibility. Coming to the camera feature, yes, it has a primary camera available with a 64 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel triple camera setup. 64 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera modes includes night mode, depth mode and macro mode. This also has a secondary 8 megapixel front camera with a smart selfie angle. It has a rear flash, it has a SD recording, full SD recording, video recording, and it also supports zoom up to 10x. There is a triple rear camera setup including a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front is an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Coming to the OS and the processor feature, this supports Android 11 operating system with the processor type is MediaTek Dimensity 700. This is an octa-core processor with the primary clock speed of 2.2 GHz and a secondary clock speed of 2 GHz. Coming to the memory and the storage feature, this phone has an internal storage of 128GB with a RAM 8GB and 6GB variant with an expandable storage of 1TB. Coming to the display feature specification, the size of the screen is 6.6 inch with a resolution of 2408 x 108 pixels. There is a full HD display resolution and you will get a GPU of Mali's G57 MC2 with a display type of full HD plus display with 16 million colors. There is a 90 Hz refresh rate you will get with this phone. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy F42 5G specification features, Samsung Galaxy F42 5G ships with One UI 3.1, which is based on Android 11 out of the box. It packs a big 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The mid-range phone has a water drop styled notch display. The phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. Samsung has also added a 5000 mAh battery. It offers support for 15-watt fast charging technology. Connectivity options also includes 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, USB Type-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor as well as support for Dolby Atmos. Coming to my final opinion, it's a good quality product. It's a great phone under 20,000 rupees. The processor Dimensity 700 is great for gaming. The back camera is also excellent. The front camera could have been improved. If I have to give a number of points out of 5, I will give it 4.